If you also have an active Amazon account, then how you can delete it or how you can proceed it for deletion, and it will just take some days for you and your account will be permanently deleted and your data will be erased from Amazon Workspace. Now, this is my Amazon account website. What you have to do is please copy this website URL from my screen. You can take a screenshot or you can just look out to this URL. Now it will demand for your email address, that is your username of Amazon, then enter your Amazon password to it. After doing all this, you have to click on the sign in option. It will redirect you to your Amazon account and the URL will help you to redirect to the cancellation page of your Amazon account. Once you have signed into your account, you have to click on account deletion page and then your account will be simply deleted. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.